My name is Chris Green, and welcome to EmployeesGPT presentation of the AI Revolution, Understanding AI Bots and AI Agents. Artificial intelligence is not just reshaping, it's profoundly transforming our world, impacting everything from how we work to how we interact. However, within this expansive and rapidly evolving landscape, it's critical to understand that not all AI systems are created equal, nor do they operate on the same principles. This presentation will draw clear distinctions between two fundamental categories, AI bots and AI agents. We'll explore their unique characteristics, underlying mechanisms, and how they differ in terms of autonomy and decision-making. We will start by defining AI bots and agents, then explore their technical distinctions. Following that, we'll look at practical applications and use cases, and finally, consider future trends and developments in AI technology. The AI tree image represents the growth and branching complexity of AI systems. An AI bot is essentially a software program designed to automate tasks by leveraging the capabilities of artificial intelligence. These bots are built to analyze vast amounts of data at incredible speeds, far surpassing human ability in terms of volume and efficiency, by using advanced algorithms, machine learning models, and natural language processing. AI bots can simulate human-like conversations and behaviors, enabling them to interact with users in a way that feels intuitive and personalized. This ability to mimic human interaction not only enhances user experience, but also makes AI bots valuable tools in a wide range of industries, from customer service and healthcare to finance and entertainment. They can answer questions, perform transactions, offer recommendations, and even make decisions based on user behavior or historical data. The image of a robotic arm holding a smartphone visually represents this dynamic interaction between AI and technology. It symbolizes how AI bots seamlessly integrate with modern digital tools, such as mobile apps and smart devices, to carry out tasks, gather data, and communicate with users in real time. This combination of automation and intelligent engagement helps businesses and individuals work more efficiently and effectively in an increasingly digital world. AI bots have rapidly become integral across a multitude of domains, revolutionizing operational efficiency and user experience. In the realm of customer service, for instance, these bots are pivotal in handling routine inquiries instantly, significantly improving response times and elevating overall customer satisfaction. On social media platforms, they expertly manage scheduled posts, respond promptly to comments, and rigorously analyze engagement metrics, thereby streamlining content management and fostering community interaction. Within e-commerce, bots play a crucial role in guiding customers seamlessly through their purchase journey and offering highly tailored recommendations, ultimately boosting sales and enhancing user convenience. Their versatility and efficiency make them indispensable tools in modern digital environments. Our daily lives are increasingly and subtly influenced by AI bots, simplifying a multitude of everyday interactions and tasks. In the realm of customer service, chatbots provide immediate 24/7 assistance on websites, efficiently resolving user issues and significantly improving overall satisfaction. Virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa seamlessly integrate into our routines, assisting with common tasks such as setting reminders, controlling smart devices, and retrieving information, thereby making technology more intuitive and accessible for everyone. Moreover, social media bots play a critical, often unseen role in actively managing vast amounts of content and facilitating nuanced user interactions. This automated oversight ensures that platforms remain dynamic, highly responsive to trending topics, and engaging for millions of users, ultimately streamlining our overall digital experiences and the flow of information. Moving beyond the more structured operations of bots, an AI agent represents a more sophisticated entity designed to interact dynamically with its surroundings. Fundamentally, an AI agent is an entity that actively perceives its environment through various sensors or data inputs and critically makes decisions and takes actions based on that perception. What truly distinguishes AI agents from simpler bots is their capacity for continuous learning and adaptation. Unlike bots that often follow pre-programmed rules, agents possess the ability to learn from experience, processing new data and outcomes to refine their understanding and improve their performance over extended periods. This continuous improvement is driven by sophisticated data analysis and learning algorithms. This inherent decision-making ability, combined with their learning capacity, empowers AI agents to autonomously pursue specific defined goals. They are not merely reactive, but can strategize and adapt their behaviors in response to changing or unpredictable conditions within their environment. This higher degree of autonomy and learning makes them powerful tools for complex, dynamic tasks where constant human oversight is impractical or impossible. AI agents are proving to have incredibly diverse and impactful applications across numerous cutting-edge fields. They are absolutely critical in the development of autonomous vehicles, where they serve as the brains behind safe and efficient navigation, constantly perceiving the road, traffic, and surroundings to make split-second decisions. Within smart home technology, these agents enhance the living experience by intelligently managing various interconnected devices and learning user preferences over time to automate comfort and efficiency. Furthermore, in broader domains like scientific research or financial analysis, AI agents are invaluable in complex problem solving, adeptly analyzing vast data sets, identifying intricate patterns, and proposing optimal solutions. The accompanying car dashboard image powerfully highlights this, visually representing AI's pivotal role in real-time environmental perception and critical decision-making. Examples of AI agents span multiple fields. Self-driving cars use AI agents to navigate traffic and enhance safety. Recommendation systems in streaming services analyze user preferences to suggest content, improving engagement. Financial trading algorithms employ AI agents to process market data rapidly, making informed investment decisions with precision. The core distinction between these two AI paradigms lies in their fundamental design and capabilities. Bots are specifically engineered for highly defined, often repetitive tasks, strictly adhering to pre-programmed instructions. They operate efficiently within their prescribed boundaries, but crucially, they do not possess the ability to learn from new data or adapt their behavior beyond their initial programming. Agents, in stark contrast, are built with an inherent capacity to learn and evolve. They can process new information, analyze experiences, and autonomously refine their behavior over time. This remarkable adaptability makes agents significantly more versatile and suitable for a much broader and more complex range of applications, particularly those requiring nuanced decision-making in dynamic or unpredictable environments. The accompanying robot image powerfully reinforces this fundamental contrast, visually depicting the difference between static, rule-based AI systems and those that exhibit dynamic, learning-driven intelligence. Key differentiator between these AI types is evident in their communication styles and interaction models. AI bots primarily rely on pre-scripted responses and predefined conversational flows. While this approach ensures high consistency in their replies and can efficiently handle common queries, it often leads to a more rigid and somewhat limited engagement experience. In stark contrast, AI agents utilize dynamic interaction models that actively consider context, user intent, and even emotional cues. This sophisticated understanding enables them to engage in far more natural, fluid, and genuinely meaningful conversations. This remarkable adaptability in communication allows agents to foster deeper user connections, provide more personalized assistance, and ultimately enhance overall user satisfaction by making interactions feel less robotic and more genuinely responsive. The transformative power of AI is profoundly impacting multiple industries, driving unprecedented levels of efficiency and innovation. In customer service and sales, AI bots are revolutionizing interactions by providing quick, personalized assistance and handling vast volumes of inquiries, thereby enhancing customer experience and scaling operations. Healthcare significantly benefits from sophisticated AI agents that aid in diagnostics and treatment planning through the advanced analysis of complex medical data, leading to more accurate and timely interventions. The finance sector leverages AI extensively for developing intricate trading strategies, rapidly analyzing vast market trends, and predicting fluctuations with greater precision. Furthermore, logistics operations are seeing massive improvements in efficiency with AI-driven route optimization, which intelligently calculates the most effective delivery paths, thereby substantially reducing operational costs and accelerating delivery times. The accompanying cityscape image visually underscores this pervasive influence, highlighting AI's seamless integration into the very fabric of our urban and industrial environments. When evaluating AI solutions, it's crucial to understand their inherent trade-offs. Bots excel at providing rapid and consistent responses, making them ideal for efficiently handling large volumes of repetitive requests. Their strength lies in their predictable, rule-based execution. However, a significant limitation is their lack of genuine learning capabilities. They cannot adapt or improve their performance in novel or complex situations beyond their initial programming. In stark contrast, AI agents possess the remarkable ability to learn and adapt from new data and experiences, continuously improving their responses and decision-making over time. This adaptability allows them to tackle more nuanced and complex problems effectively. Nevertheless, this enhanced capability comes with a trade-off. Agents typically require significantly more computational resources and more complex initial setups due to their sophisticated learning algorithms. The accompanying illustration effectively symbolizes this delicate balance, representing the fundamental interplay between the need for immediate inquiry resolution and the drive for continuous innovation inherent in AI development. Examining real-world case studies powerfully demonstrates the tangible effectiveness and transformative impact of AI across various sectors. AI bots, for instance, are consistently shown to significantly enhance operational efficiency and streamline repetitive processes by automating routine tasks and handling high volumes of interactions with speed and consistency. Concurrently, AI agents are proving instrumental in dramatically improving user satisfaction through their capacity for highly personalized and adaptive assistance, learning from individual interactions to offer more relevant and intuitive support. These powerful and versatile technologies have been successfully applied across a broad spectrum of industries, including critical sectors like healthcare, where they aid in diagnostics, finance, where they optimize trading, and customer service, where they revolutionize client interactions, truly showcasing their remarkable adaptability and widespread utility. The continuous advancements in AI technology are rapidly pushing the boundaries of what's possible. Key among these is natural language processing (NLP), which has made immense strides, enabling machines to not only understand but also interact effectively using complex human language. This development has profoundly improved communication capabilities for both bots and agents, making interactions far more intuitive. Simultaneously, deep learning, a powerful subset of machine learning, has revolutionized AI's ability to learn from incredibly vast and intricate data sets, leading to significantly enhanced accuracy and predictive power. Collectively, these critical developments are directly leading to the creation of ever more sophisticated bots and highly advanced agents that are increasingly capable of nuanced and truly autonomous decision-making. AI's societal impacts are significant. Employment landscapes may shift as AI bots automate tasks. AI can enhance accessibility, making services more inclusive. However, these advances raise ethical concerns and highlight the need for regulations to ensure responsible and fair use of AI technologies. The strategic integration of AI bots and agents holds immense promise to fundamentally transform user interactions by intelligently combining their respective strengths. Imagine a future where hybrid AI systems are capable of tackling even the most complex problems with unprecedented effectiveness, seamlessly blending the efficiency of bots with the adaptability of agents. This synergy will lead to the creation of more human-like, nuanced, and ultimately more satisfying user experiences. This ongoing evolution is not just about technological advancement, it precisely aims to enhance both operational efficiency and user engagement across a vast array of applications, from personalized customer support to complex industrial automation. In conclusion, a clear understanding of the fundamental distinctions between AI bots and more sophisticated AI agents is absolutely essential for maximizing organizational effectiveness and strategically leveraging artificial intelligence. As this powerful technology continues to evolve at an unprecedented pace, actively adapting to these rapid changes and comprehending the nuances of various AI solutions becomes critical for efficiently harnessing their full potential. Staying consistently abreast of the latest AI advancements, from new algorithms to emerging applications, will undeniably be the key to successful and impactful implementations across all sectors. This proactive approach will empower organizations not only to remain competitive in a rapidly changing landscape, but also to drive continuous innovation and achieve sustainable growth well into the future. To learn more or explore how your company can implement AI to boost productivity and scale your operations, visit EmployeesGPT.com, a division of UpPluck.